Alright, so now we're gonna learn about MySQL databases. And there are different types of databases out there. MySQL is more popular because it's open source, which means it's free. You don't have to pay. There are pay services like Oracle, which is very powerful for like large, high traffic websites or applications. But like MySQL is really powerful, and it has gotten even more powerful over the last few years. So even large companies with high volume traffic also use MySQL. So it's very powerful. If you are going to have like less than a few million people visiting your site each month, MySQL should be able to handle that. So it is a great way for you to get introduced to databases. So what you're going to learn is the way that we did this chapter was on the right side there's a handout, and there's a SQL file that you can download. So download that, and you're going to install, well, you already have phpMyAdmin installed as part of the WAM package. So go to phpMyAdmin, down below we'll show you how to do that. And we're just going to basically teach you by example. So you will import the SQL file that you will download, and you will learn how to do some of the syntaxes. And also we have some other videos that teaches you some basic syntax, so you can watch that. But MySQL databases are used just to basically store data. So you can store like user information, site information, just basically anything you want. Anything that you would, like for example, store like in an Excel format, you can store it in MySQL databases, and you can retrieve any information that you want really quickly. So in this chapter, we're not going to talk about how to optimize MySQL tables, because that's a more advanced topic. We're just going to focus on this chapter on like doing the queries, what type of queries you can do, and what tools you can use to do those queries. So we're going to start out with phpMyAdmin. Later during the course, you're going to learn about MySQL Workbench, which is another tool that we really like to use. It's faster than phpMyAdmin, and using MySQL Workbench, you can also connect to other databases, not just in your local host. You can connect to other databases in the server. So that makes it really nice. If this doesn't make sense, then you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so again, few ways that you can learn MySQL. You can watch our videos. I think the MySQL website is a great source, but some of the documentation is too heavy. And again, just like anything, there are just a lot of information out there, and 90% of those you're probably never going to use. So again, stick to the course. Just go through our videos. Make sure that you feel comfortable, and then at the end we have assignments. So intentionally, we don't teach you everything you need to know about MySQL. I mean, that's going to take too long. But our goal is to get you to understand MySQL in the shortest amount of time, and for you to actually build things using MySQL databases. So after you watch our videos, go through the questions and see if we can develop the queries to do what is needed. And you may have to spend some time learning how to do join statements. It may be a little tricky, but there are some good tutorials out there that you can go to learn how the join statement works. Usually, like for me, I only really use left join. So there are inner join, right join, all these other things. Just focus on left join, and if you do that, you will be able to do 99% of what you need to do. So enjoy this course, and again, if you have any question, feel free to ask your mentor after you've done the research, so that you don't you take your mentor's time preciously. But you can also email us if you have any question, and we'll try to help you out. Okay, have fun.